Okay, so all that we have left to do is the axle and hub parts, the reflector, and the spokes and the nipples for the front wheel, and then put it all back together and true it. That's what's happening on this episode of Featherstone Bicycles. Regular viewers of the channel should know by now that if I can take it apart and clean it, I do. And that's what I do with the ball bearings, ball bearing cages. And that's what we're going to do now. I just soak solvent and then just rub that around on a paper towel. Get the grease off. Clean up the cages a little bit. Get that old grease out of there. Put some simple green on there. And just get the toothbrush. Get any stray dirt and grease off of that. You may remember from last episode that I was missing 2 spokes off the front wheel, and I picked up 4 spokes from the bike shop, and 2 were just too short and 2 were just a little bit too long. So I'm gonna put this together with the correct spoke. It looks like it's about 3/16 off, and I'm going to hit it up on the grinder and see if that works. If not, I'll just have to go back to the bike shop and try to find the right size. sure that the nipple fits on there. Yep. All right, that works. Hey guys, want to take a break just to mention that you all by yourself can make a difference. So do yourself a favor and join an army of normal folks. Links to their website and the podcast are in the description. And I think you'll enjoy it. Thanks. So we're going to put the ball bearings back in the cages. And then grease them up. Got our little grease gun here. Hit it from the back side. And from the front side. Get it all in those crevices and whatnot. Okay, that one's good. Again, there's a video out there if you're interested in this little grease gun, which is good for working on small spaces. I've got a previous video that has a link to at least a couple, I think there's a couple of videos by RJ the Bike Guy that talks about this gun. You can get it on Amazon, and he's got some good videos out there on it. We're ready to start lacing the wheel up, and again we're going to refer to our drawing where we have the rim lined up so that the inner tube hole is right here at the bottom, and then we line the hub up so that one of the holes lines up directly with that hole in the rim, and then we count 1, 2, 3, 4 over to the right, and that first spoke goes under and it goes to the second hole to the right of the valve stem hole. So we grab a spoke, we have a hole right here, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's under, so it comes in from the top, and 1, 2 holes over, and we put a nipple on that and lock it down. Then the next one, we go back to that hole that lines up with our valve stem hole, and we count 3 to the left. 1, 2, okay, so it was 1, 2, 3, 4. That's this hole. Then 1, 2, 3, and that is an over. So that comes in from the underside. 1, 2, 3. That's that one. And that one comes one hole to the left of the valve stem hole. Again, wheels are different, so you got to make this drawing when you're taking the spokes out. So that now, the way I'm going to start here is from the valve stem hole. I'm going to tighten all of the nipples all the way up to the point where the threads are just disappearing. And then that ensures that we have everything even before we start to get into the fine tuning of the truing process. Times like this when I wish I had the tool, the little bit that goes in a drill that makes this job a lot faster. Someday I'm going to get that bit. Put the rim strip on. Line that up with the valve stem hole. Got the inner tube with a little bit of air in it. Put it inside the tire. Get it all straight. And one last little detail. Across from the valve stem hole is going to go our reflector. Goes through that little slot in the reflector. And then this little nut has a bevel to it. Okay, so that's it. We've got both the wheels up there. We've done everything we can do. So the only thing that's left is for the season finale, which will be the next episode. It's also going to be, if you recall from season 1, that's going to be an ASMR style video to music. And I will tell you that because it's a girl's bike, the thumbnail is going to have a woman in it. I'll give you a little hint to what the music will be, and that woman is only half human. So thanks for sticking with me on this episode, and I hope to see you for season 2 finale next time on Featherstone Bicycles.